Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is count to all strings in ranges. Okay, before that I'd like to tell you we have playlist of JavaScript, stream Java 8 streams and Spring Boot I will continue. And we here you can see 39 videos are there on Leetcode question. We have a playlist on prefix sum. We wanted to use Premiere to yeah, we have playlist on prefixum, and also these many videos are there. If you want to understand this concept, please subscribe this channel and stay updated and watch these videos. And I also recently started a Instagram page. Okay, you can follow that if you want to stay updated. So let's solve this question now. So you are given a zero indexed array of strings, words, and 2D array of integers queries. Each queries of I is equal to LR. Ask us to find the number of strings present in the range Li to Ri, and both are inclusive of words that starts and end with a all. Okay. So return an array answer of size queries dot length where answer of I is the answer to the ith query. ठीक है. Note that the all letters are A E I O U. Yeah, sure. So this is the words array. So here you can see A B A, B C B, and E C E A A. Okay, and the queries are given 0 to 1 4 and 1 1. Okay. So if you see this example, if you see this example, in the first, what we have to do is we have to find the number of strings present in the this range, starts and end with all. Okay, so this string starts and end. Yeah, yes. This string starts and ends with all. No, this yes, this yes, and this yes. So out of 5 we have 4. So these are the queries 0 to 2. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 0 to 2, that means in this range, which strings have starts and ends with all? That means we have two strings which starts and ends with all. So the answer is 2. So similarly from 1 to 4, that is first index to fourth index, how many are there? This 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is 3. If you see 1 and 1, that means the only string. So the answer is 1. Wait, just yeah, 1 and 1 is index, right? So the answer is 0. Here it is given 0 because we see B and B both, we are not the all, right? So that is why 0. So how we can solve this question is we can keep the count from the beginning, like the prefix concept. What we learned in the prefix concept is we can find the let's say I want to find the prefix sum. That means I will find the sum from this to this. So in this array, let's say this is a simple array, so here it will be 2. Again here will be 2 plus 3, that is 5. Again 5. So like that we can find the prefix sum. Similarly, we can use the concept of prefix and we can find the count, that from the beginning how many are there on the left side. That means here I got 1. So if I see here and I want from the beginning how many are there? Only 1. From here how many are there? This 1 and this 2, so 2. Again here this 1, this 2, and this 3. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the our prefix array will be what? Initially it will be 1, again 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in this way I'll get the prefix. So prefix our array. Now I have given what? Range. So this I can do one thing, that prefix of this high minus prefix of low, but there is some problem with this. What is prefix of I? Let's say here 0 and 2. So prefix of I is 2. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the index 2. At index 2, I mean till this how many are there? 2 are there. So 2 minus prefix of low. Low is what? 0. So here, yeah, prefix of 0 is 1. So which is 1, but our answer is what? 2. So that is why, as it is included, okay, both are inclusive. So what we have to do is, if our prefix of low or low if our low is 0, then instead of this number we'll use the 0, because as we want to include both. So if I'm doing prefix of high minus prefix of low, so prefix of low till this low index, how many are there that are excluding in this case? But I want to include this also, right? So I have to do low minus 1. If it is 0, then 0, and if it is not, if low is 0, then 0, because it will give an index out of bound error again. But if it is greater than 1, then we have to do minus 1. Okay, so let's start coding. So first we want int prefix is equal to new int what size. Let's say or I'll directly use words dot length minus 1. Okay, now um, we have to check, right, if it is oval or not. So I need a hash set. I'll use a hash set of character. Hash is equal to new hash set arrays dot as list of what a I o e also, right, e a e i o u. Okay, so in this we'll get this hash, and then what? Then we have to for int I 0 from I is less than what? Why it is minus 1? It should be same, right? Yeah. So words dot length I plus plus, and here I will do mm, what? Instead, here I'll take a one variable as int sum, which is 0 initially, and what I'll do, I will check if hash dot contains what? Words of I dot char at 0, and what last hash dot contains words of I or char at words dot length. This is words of I dot length minus 1, that is the last. If both conditions satisfy, then we'll increment our sum, and then we will assign it to that prefix index. Okay. Okay, now we will get what? We'll get the prefix array. Now now the next part is finding our answer is equal to new int queries. Queries dot length for int I 0 I less than queries dot length I plus plus, and here, yeah, here we have to do this thing. So answer of I is equal to, okay, prefix of queries, queries of I in that, in I on the first, that is this, minus, we have to check what we have to check is if queries of I and 0, if it is 0, wait, if it is 0, then put 0, else what? Else we have to do prefix of queries of I and 0. Okay, so in this way we'll get and return the answer at the end. So let's run. So what we used the prefix concept. Okay, and here, so what happened? Words of, yeah, here it should be, it is a method, right? Length again, where we used, have you used anything here? This is whatever. Yeah, let's run. So we have the prefix concept. Okay, it is giving us a wrong answer. Let's check if we are getting our AIOU, that is correct. Hash dot contains words of I, caret 0 and caret words dot length plus plus. Let's print our prefix. Okay, let's print and check. We will check what is happening, then we can solve this. Yeah, so our sum is 1, we got this correct, 1 1 2 3 4. So prefix array is correct. Maybe here we are doing something wrong. Is prefix of, or what is queries of I of 1, that means that will be 2 0 1 2, that means it is 2. And if queries of I of 0 is equal to 0, then it should be 0. Let's print this system dot out dot print ln. What we will print both this. We'll print this. I'll just comment it out. So in this way we have to debug, okay, if our code is not working in like just a minute. Yeah, here in the actual project, of course the debugging process is different, but here, yeah, here it is 224411. It is 241, that is correct, but it is 22441. Here, where was our 2 4? Okay, that is okay, it is the same because now let's print the not this. Okay, this is showing right. Okay, here you can see it is 0. So why my answer is 110? It should be 0, so 2 minus 0 is 2. As it is 1, so 4 minus 2. Why? What's the problem? Let's check our code once again. Are we writing it correctly? Okay, let me do this thing. Maybe this is the problem. Okay, I will just write. If values of I is equal to 0, is 0, then prefix, then out is correct. Bracket, we will remove it. Bad operator, where I used it? Let me check first. My cursor is not working. Yeah. Mm. Okay, if it is same, this is okay. If our prefix of, oh not prefix of I, if our queries of I, 1, equal to, no, that is also not a problem. Yeah, I got it. So this was the problem. As we discussed here, that -1, but while writing the code, we missed that. Okay, now it shows accepted. So let's submit this. So like this sometimes happens. You know the what you know the logic, but sometimes whenever you are writing the code, that time you miss that. Okay, so like here we missed -1, and luckily the first test case got passed, but still. Okay, so you can see our solution got accepted. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you so much.